Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing beautiful, powerful Lord Shiva's Nepal Siddha Uttaraksha Mala, beautifully made in pure silver. By wearing this mala, you will feel extreme energy of Lord Shiva. It's a beautiful mala made with 1 round Nepal Uttaraksha, very rare 1 round Nepal Uttaraksha, Gauri Shankar Uttaraksha, 14 Miki Uttaraksha, 13 Miki Uttaraksha, all Uttaraksha beautifully kept in pure silver. By wearing this mala, you will feel extreme energy of Lord Shiva, extreme energy of Lord Shiva, beautifully silver capped. Beautiful silver cap. Wonderful mala. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Wonderful mala. Nepal Siddha Uttaraksha mala gives you extreme blessings of Lord Shiva. Gives you extreme blessings of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.